Today we're heading to one of Italy's most vibrant seaside destinations, Rimini. If it's a place that appeals to you, then stay with us, as I'm counting down the 10 best hotels in Rimini, from luxury beachfront stays to stylish modern escapes. If you want golden beaches, buzzing nightlife, and amazing food, you're in the right place. But let's be real, your hotel can make or break your trip, so I've done the hard work for you. Join us as we explore Rimini, Italy. If you want to experience Rimini like royalty, the Grand Hotel Rimini is the place to be. This iconic 5-star hotel has been welcoming guests since 1908, and it still delivers that timeless elegance. Located right on the beachfront, the hotel offers a private beach area and lush gardens that feel like a peaceful escape from the busy promenade. It's perfect if you want both luxury and convenience. And here's a fun fact, legendary filmmaker Federico Fellini was a regular here. So if you're into history, glamour, and a touch of old-school charm, this hotel is a must. Next we visit the Hotel Sporting Rimini, which is a fantastic mix of comfort, style, and location. Sitting right on Marina Centro, you're just steps away from the beach and all the action. The rooms are modern, bright, and many come with balconies offering stunning sea views, perfect for those golden Italian sunsets. It's a great all-rounder, ideal for couples or families who want a relaxing stay without being far from Rimini's nightlife and attractions. If you love a boutique feel with a splash of fun, Aqua Hotel is a great pick. It's colorful, stylish, and has a really welcoming vibe that makes you feel at home right away. The standout feature here is the pool area, surrounded by greenery. It's like a little oasis in the city. The design is modern and playful, making it perfect for younger travelers or anyone who enjoys something a bit different. Plus, the service is known to be exceptional. You will appreciate how friendly and helpful the staff are, which always makes a big difference. For something ultra-modern and unique, the iSuite Hotel is a standout. This place is all about sleek design, curved architecture, and a futuristic vibe. Every suite is spacious and stylish, with floor-to-ceiling windows and incredible sea views. It's definitely one of the most Instagram-worthy hotels in Rimini. And don't miss the spa, it's one of the best in the area. Think relaxation pools, saunas, and total tranquility. Dining here is also high standard with a lively dinner time scene at this very unique hotel. To see more great travel videos, can you please hit that subscribe button? Thanks, we really do appreciate it. Continuing our tour, we now drop in at the Hotel Continental, which offers that classic seaside hotel experience, but with a modern twist. It's located right on the beach, so you can go from your room to the sand in minutes. Rooms are comfortable and many have balconies overlooking the sea, giving you that perfect morning coffee view. There's also a pool and great dining options on site. It's a solid choice if you want something reliable, comfortable, and well located without going ultra-luxury. The Savoia Hotel Rimini is all about contemporary comfort and fantastic views. Located right on the promenade, it gives you easy access to everything. The rooms are sleek and modern, and the large windows let in tons of natural light, and trust me, the views are stunning. There's also a great restaurant serving delicious local cuisine, with some superb presentation. The spa and indoor pool is ultra-modern and also well worth a visit. This hotel is perfect if you want a polished, modern stay. Our next fantastic location brings us to the Hotel Clubhouse, a stylish 4-star hotel that balances elegance with a relaxed atmosphere. It's right on the beachfront, so location-wise, it's hard to beat. Rooms are clean, modern, and comfortable, with many offering sea views. The outdoor pool area is a great spot to unwind after a day exploring Rimini. It's a great mid-range option, not overly fancy, but definitely delivers on comfort and convenience. If you love historic charm, Hotel Milton Rimini is a fantastic choice. Perched right on the beach, this delightful accommodation is set in a beautiful villa-style building and has a unique and elegant feel. The interiors combine classic decor with modern amenities, giving you the best of both worlds. It's also located close to the city center. The gardens provide a perfect location for lunch while soaking up the Rimini sunshine. Overall, the atmosphere here is calm and refined, perfect if you want something quieter and more sophisticated. The Baldinini Hotel is a hidden gem, especially if you prefer a quieter part of Rimini. It's located slightly away from the busiest areas, giving you a more relaxed experience. The design is chic and contemporary, with clean lines and a stylish feel throughout. Rooms are comfortable and thoughtfully designed. It's ideal for travelers who want a peaceful stay but still have easy access to the beach and local attractions. Last but definitely not least, the Oxygen Lifestyle Hotel is all about fun, energy, and modern comfort. It's perfect for families or younger travelers. The hotel has a lively atmosphere, with stylish decor and great amenities, including a pool and entertainment options. What really stands out is the vibe. It feels fresh, dynamic, and welcoming. A great way to end your Rimini stay on a high note. That concludes our roundup of the top 10 hotels in Rimini, which we hope you have enjoyed viewing. If so, why not subscribe to our channel at Dream to Roam to see many more excellent travel videos, with more to follow. Thank you for watching.